I'm always so proud to tell people about Moose Factory, where I'm from, where I grew up, and give them a little history of our area. I love being on the land, I love fishing, I love being on the boat, spending time on the river. I spent a lot of times outdoors. A lot of my memories is, being in a boat or being on a skidoo, hunting or fishing. This is a small town. We live on an island. We don't have a road, obviously. We have a river. That's just the way we've been living for a long time. The Moose Factory area has a lot to offer. It's being outdoors, being on the land, and that's what's great about it.
My grandfather and my dad taught me how to do this. My great-grandfather used to be a commercial fisherman. He used to do this for a living. He used to catch sturgeon all the time for the ministry, I believe, and that's how he made a living. And yeah, putting the net right in the middle of the channel is also a good way to make sure nobody runs it over. So right here is perfect. Doing nets is a family tradition.
I did a lot of fishing with my grandfather and my father. It's more than just important. It's kind of like a way it's a way of life, and it's just a way of our history and culture. It's how my ancestors lived for hundreds and hundreds of years. We're still carrying on the tradition now of harvesting our food. We've dealt with a lot of different obstacles and sort of things in life. That's one of the reasons why we're so passionate about our history and our traditions, and that's why we keep carrying it on.
Yep, everybody's excited to go fishing.
We do enjoy when people want to come here and they want to experience our way of life, and that actually makes us feel good, because people want to learn, they want to experience our history and our tradition.
I have a lot of stories too for them, and give them some history of our land. Since I'm so familiar with it, I'm able to share a lot of stories that I have from growing up. It's good to share that with them.
I think having all sorts of different stories from this area will definitely bring people back here and enjoy the experiences more. There's definitely a lot to see out here. A lot of wildlife, a lot of birds, a lot of sea life, ocean life. And you get to see the James Bay and Hudson Bay, which is a huge ocean, and there it is right at your bow of your boat, never ending. It reminds me of being a little kid when I'm out there, actually. It's a really big thing for me, and I can't say enough about being happy to show my son the same things that I grew up doing with my father. And it makes me feel good, It makes me feel like I am where I'm supposed to be. I always get a proud feeling when I'm taking tours out. I'm so excited to tell them about the tradition and history that we have here, and information on Moose Factory. I'm Ryan Sutherland. This is where I grew up. I don't think I'll ever be able to leave here, because it's one of the best places in the world.